Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you get to see me today when I do this whole intro, but guess what? I'm gonna do this voiceover with my face. Like, you're going to be literally watching me like work on my phalanges, or like in this case I'm going to be unboxing some Madam Glam PR. So we're going to get into this because this is the new collection. OMG. Now this is a collection that you are going to want. When you see what I did with the swatches, you're going to understand. Right now I'm struggling with this box because I'm cheating. Let me tell you why. Because there is a sticky seal, which I had already opened because there were some things in there I wanted to take out because it's not for this video. It's for another video, so you're just going to have to keep your bells on. So I stuck that whole thing back down. And then now I've tried to literally do that whole thing. It's like God is always watching. Anyway, guys, we're going to get into these colors. Oh my gosh, 4 beautiful colors. Now I have the colors right here. Guys, it was hard to choose. Now having to choose 4 was like having to choose a favorite child, I'm telling you. So the first one we're going to get into is Taurus season. Then I showed you prosperity, and the green is beautiful. And come on, we have inner peace and spirit guide. Now inner peace and spirit guide, for me, if you think, they are quite similar. I'm trying to hide my phalanges because they're not done. But that's the whole pink and purple love that I always talk about. I'm giving them a good shake right now because they have traveled all the way from New York and landed here in the UK. So I am definitely shaking them up so that, you know, if they're asleep, they can wake up. So I am going to put some base coat down because I don't generally do the whole base coat. But sometimes when I just want to do a one coat, which Madam Glam is good for that, I'm using the base coat. So I'm going to let you just watch, and I'm going to stop talking so you can literally just watch the swatches, because I don't know, is there anything really to say other than they are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this color I am swatching. Now, you know, I'm a little biased because I love pink, but inner peace. Ooh, so now this collection is House of Life. Now we've had the House of Love, the House of Light. This is House of Life, and there is a whole read up on this collection. So I am going to go ahead and just tell you a little bit about the inspiration behind this collection while you are watching the swatches. Okay, so I've got the write up just to give you a little in-depth thought behind this collection. Now it says there are energies of growth and transformation at play in your life right now, and that you are being called to step into your power and embrace your fullest potential. Wow. It's time to get transported to a new mystical realm where tarot cards come to life and magic in the air with the House of Life collection. A journey into the unknown, a celebration of the feminine spirit, and a reminder of the power that resides within us all. From the bright and soothing shades to the fiery and passionate hues, this collection is a celebration of the different facets of life that make us who we are. I absolutely love that. With a vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free and palm oil-free formula, let the new arrivals, oh my gosh, be your guide as you embark on a journey of self-discovery and exploration. Allow the colors to inspire you, the magic to mesmerize you, and the tarot to guide you. With our infinite shine, high coverage formula, painting your nails will be a tribute to the enchantment that surrounds us and the strength that lies within us all. Oh my gosh, Madam Glam, that's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so there's a pro tip here. It says, we believe that beauty is not just skin deep, it's a reflection of the soul. Wow. Tap into your inner magic and embrace your true self with divine creations like ombres, skittles, French twists. I love this. Magical elements, quirky lines, or keep it simple and classy. Wow. To accentuate the powerful energy within you. Like, I am absolutely astounded. Like, wow. Okay, guys, we're going to get back into the rest of these swatches, and I'm going to show you what I did with them at the end. Absolutely beautiful. So now you see me just being extra because, you know, I do the swatches and I do like to just do just like a little quick look, not anything crazy. So I'm just using the 4 colors that I got. I put them on the palette. I did use the Perfect White. Yes, I did. I did use the Perfect White because I felt like you needed a little bit of white. And then I blobbed a little bit of the white on the pink. So it was almost like it was trying to tell me that I wasn't supposed to do this. I don't know. But anyway, we did it. So I did put some blooming gel down on that nail. Now, why did I cat eye the nail? I don't know, because the minute I started to put the blooming down, I was so excited and I literally nearly covered the nail, but I did leave a little peep. There is a little peep, and I guess that does stand for something. I'm just checking here just to make sure that everything is nice and flat, because sometimes when you do this, you don't see it, but it's like the gel overlaps. So that's why you're really supposed to just let it just like flow like the river. And if that doesn't happen, it will cure, and it will just not cure properly because of how thick it is. So that's just some of the things that have happened to me in the past, and I'm telling you that from just my accidents that I have made. So now to just go, you know, just carry on with the extraness, I got out the gold. Let me just remind you of what that's called, because I need to remind myself. Now, that one's called It's Not You, It's Me. It's like the breakup line. It's not you, it's me. And that's a beautiful gold. And that's just, again, me being extra, just, you know, getting what I have to hand. And so, you know, we just did that. And I just, you know, just added a little sparkle to the nail. And I think it looks beautiful. Even if I didn't do that, it would have still looked beautiful. That's all I'm saying. It's just literally me being extra, as you do sometimes. But that's what it is. With Madam Glam, I get so excited. It's like I start thinking, what can I do? What can't I do? You know, and that's just with the unboxing and the swatch. And I could have just gone ahead and just drew something else completely on top of that nail. But instead, I am just still playing with that gold. And in my mind, believe me, I was thinking, should I put bling? Because you can never have too much bling. In fact, there is always space for bling, I think, always. So now I'm just showing you what I did. So with the Prosperity, the green one, I'm just showing you how literally you can forget what you have. But with this collection, in fact, I've noticed that the collections that have been released so far this year all go well together. Now, I have a variety of different top coats. I've used a matte top coat, which is Sparkly Rain, and I used it on this swatch. And the others I'm showing you are no wipe top coats, and they just add a little fun to the nail. They really do. I mean, look, just a little fun. It just, you know, adds a little pop of color. You know, it just helps out the situation. So if you didn't want to do anything else, you could just use the no wipe top coat, or you could use Sparkly Rain, which is one of the matte top coats, and it just gives you that classy finish. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love this collection. And these colours are not just screaming spring, but they're screaming summer. And you can even do fall looks with this. I could use this all year round, literally could. And I'm happy I thought about the top coats because it's given me a very fun, I don't know, sprinkles, ice cream, just summer, just cute. Absolutely love it. Now, this last nail that we did the most to, absolutely gorgeous. I just like the way all the colours did blend together. This is the other one. Look how gorgeous that is. Absolutely stunning, right? So there's a little cat eye peep in there, I think. But yeah, I absolutely like, I cannot wait. I already have something in mind that I would like to do using this collection, the colours from this collection. And I think I might even mix some of the colours from the House of Light in there because I just think they're gorgeous. Absolutely. So please keep your bells on. Thank you all so much for watching. I absolutely appreciate you all. It's me, Mama Does Nails, and thank you for watching. Please stay tuned so you can catch me when I upload this look or just anything else that I'm basically doing. But yeah, I love you all, and to all my new subscribers, thank you for joining the family. To all my existing subscribers, you already know it's been love from day one. Mama Does Nails loves you, and I'm out. Please take care. And yeah, as I said, catch me in the next one. Bye, guys.